What's up, guys? So today, sorry, my hair's a mess. We're going to be taste testing Calypso Lemonade. It says Calypso Lemonade, taste of the island, made with real lemon bits. Amazing. I don't think I can care. But I already took off the wrapping because my little sister was kind of like, "Give me some. Give me some." So I did. I'll call her right now. Kid Rose, come here. She liked it. She liked it a lot. I, however, have not tried it yet. Come here. But she has. And, what did you think about the lemonade? Come here. Come here. What did you think about the lemonade?
Yummy.
It was yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Look at her. She's so pretty. Look at her eyes. Stop, Taylor. Stop. Look at her eyes. Aren't they pretty? Guys, hey, thumbs up if you like her eyes. Thumbs up. Alright. Alright, so let's try the lemonade. Let's try it here. Alright? Get up. Up. It's kind of hard to do one-handed.
I'll help.
I got it. Here, you want to do something? Hold the camera just like this. Alright, leave it just like that, okay? Ready?
Uh-huh.
My little sister's my cameraman. Alright, let's go. Oh, shake well it says. Hold on. Leave it just like that, okay? Shaking.
I take it.
Alright.
Shake.
Not the tablet. Shake the lemonade well it said. Alright. Hold it up. Tilt it up. No, up. Up. Yeah, there you go. No, it's too far up. Right here. Leave it there, okay? Just like that. Oh, wow. That's good. Yeah. Yo, she was right. So, guys, Calypso Lemonade. That's a yes.
Yeah.
I would definitely recommend buying this if, like, you guys want a cheap drink, some cheap lemonade, guys. This is definitely the way to go. Right? Because this stuff is great. I kind of love it. Alright, but anyways, that's all for today, guys. That's all for today, guys. No, wait, actually, I'm going to be trying the Twix ice cream bar.
Me too.
Yeah, she will be. But that, I'm opening with you guys, alright?
Me too.
So if you're excited from that, post the comments below. I'll be doing that in like an hour or two, maybe. Alright, Kid Rose, say bye!
Bye.